Okay, these are the whiteline links that I'm just about to fit as a replacement for the worn out ones that are on the car. I'll take the worn out ones and show you the state of those. I refitted them after re-greasing, but they're basically past their limit. Seen better days. Try not to look too hard at the bit rusty exhaust there. Okay, this is the drop link dismantled, one of the adjustable drop links dismantled, taken off the car, and having taken it completely apart, you can see there the rose joint. That's actually the ball of the rose joint there. That is very, very worn. There's a mark on it all the way around, so it's obviously been binding, which is basically saying that the rose joints are completely shot. They're very, very loose. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, that's very loose. So they are completely shot. That's 12 months of use, not even hard use either. The car's not been on the track at all as yet, just general day-to-day driving, twisty roads, and that's what it's done to the drop links. So if you're going to put white line drop links on, my advice is make sure that they are very well greased, and don't treat them as a fit and forget.